Actually, Metzger with the Desert Water Agency here to talk to us about Earth Day tomorrow, and it's an important reminder about efforts to conserve all of our natural resources, and you, of course, are focusing on water.
That's right. So Earth Day is tomorrow. We consider this whole week, Earth Week, April's Earth Month, and like you said while we were talking earlier, every day is Earth Day. It's
good to think about it in those terms, because every day you should kind of consider how you're using your water, how best you can conserve your water, and other resources.
And the really interesting thing about water is it has so many energy inputs too. So Desert Water Agency, we produce solar and hydropower. But, you know, water sustainability is obviously key. Water is precious, you know, always, but especially in a drought like we're facing right now. And then we actually recycle water. You know, many people know about recycling when it comes to plastics in their home, but we actually take water that has been flushed, you know, goes down the sink or the shower and ends up at a city wastewater treatment plant. They ship it over to us. We clean it up, additionally do some more filtration and disinfection, and then send it out to be used on golf courses, parks, medians.
So when we see the sign reclaimed water, that's what we're talking about.
Yes, reclaimed or recycled water. There's a whole separate pipeline network for it. And it's really great because it has water quality benefits and it requires less energy. So pumping water out of the ground requires an enormous amount of energy. And, you know, we have to pump it up in high onto reservoirs in the mountain, so then the system has gravity and we all have
to
nice
pressure
water
it so that you actually, yeah, that's right. Now, the reclaimed water and recycled waters is a great use for local golf courses, because then we're not tapping into the potable water supply.
That's right, and they actually end up using less fertilizer because that water has higher concentrations of certain nutrients they need to help the grass grow.
Nitrogens and those sorts of things are already in the water. So that's, and that system, as you say, it's a separately piped system, and that's something that you guys are going to continue to grow so that more people could take advantage of that.
That is the hope. You know, we'd love to see that system grow and have new things connect to it. We are working on some grants to possibly get funding to expand it to another park in Palm Springs, so fingers crossed on that. So we're really trying to do our part to be more environmentally sustainable, plan for the future, but it requires partnership too, and we'd love to partner with you out there.
We need your buy-in, and you can go to dwa.org, and it's important. We're out of time, but I think you've kind of given people the gist of what they need to do. And the phone number's up on your screen. Treat every day as Earth Day. Treat those resources as if they are precious, because they are. Ashley, thank you very much.
Thank you.
We'll be right back.